Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's spring break and there's only one day left, which is tomorrow. And I was just laying in bed and I was kind of bored. So I had decided to clean my room because it's gotten pretty messy. You know, like spring cleaning is like a thing. So I don't know, I kind of thought it'd be a good idea to just clean my room so I can start off the end of spring break clean, and I can also record it for you guys because why not? It's not bad, but it's getting a little messy. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys my room and then we'll start cleaning. Alright, so here's my mess. I need to put this all away, and this is still stuff that I never unpacked. And then I have some hangers that I just ordered because I was running out of hangers. I think first we're gonna start by making my bed. Alright, the bed is all made. I'm gonna change because I'm wearing this like sweatshirt and it's making me sweat. Okay, I put on a tank top so it's a lot cooler, and I put my hair up. So let's get started. So this is a box of hangers that just came in. So the plan is this side of my closet, I have stuff hung up here and stuff hung up down there. So I'm gonna take off everything off of those hangers and hang it on these hangers. And then those hangers are gonna be used for the clothes on this side. So that it all matches. So, and then after that, I'm gonna put all my clothes away. So yeah, let's start. Okay, so all of the hangers are now switched out. Okay, so I know it doesn't look like it, but I sectioned everything off. So now I'm gonna start putting it all away. Alright, so the closet is complete. Now I'm gonna put all my dirty clothes in this basket. Then I'm just gonna unpack this stuff and put these shoes away. Yeah, then I'm almost all done. I'm kind of tired, but we can do this. Alright, so my room is all clean now, and that was the end of the video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick spring cleaning with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!